Is he ready to see the show? Send the energy, boys. We're going to get it started. He's all the way from Athens, Georgia. Can I get a big welcome for Dane Beardsley, please? The majority of tricks you see here today, he's found a new way to link into them, out of them. Some of these actually invented. I can't say enough about the difficulty that this man acquires. Points, the more creative, the more dumb, the more difficult, the more exciting your friends are going to get. Let's follow him on this, right? Using that back leg as a counterbalance. He holds that seat. Now swinging the bike around, back underneath him. Watch those feet. It's called scuffing when he kicks the tire. 1 foot on the pedal. What is this? Spaghetti legs, cross-footed. Again, Dane is absolutely a madman on this stuff. Watch him starting side saddle, now chasing the tire. Now the tire chases him. Right, the change of direction is just manic every time this man's. How about a little energy? Can you send it towards him? Look at him rolling. There you go, one-handed, just super slow styling. Think about it. The faster you ride a bike, the easier it is. Meaning the slower you go, the harder it is. And as you can see, Dane's pace is just as incredible as his trick list. That's called a backpacker. Look, all the way holding, rolling down there. Yeah, make some noise as he rides by you. That's pretty cool stuff, right? I'm getting cheat listed on the trick name.